demo shows a bridge from Sepolier to arbitrary Sepolier backed by claims and proofs using the universal settlement layer. The transfer page is a standard bridging interface where users can transfer tokens between two chains. On the upper right, there is a faucet button where you can get some test tokens. On the history page, users can check their bridging transactions. Each entry includes information like source and destination transaction hashes, the transaction where the claim and proof are verified on pod network, and the claim itself. Now let's try to transfer some tokens. We already approved an limited amount of tokens, and we just need to input the amount of token to be transferred, which is 11, and click the transfer button. Okay, now let's go to the history page and wait for the cross-chain transfer to be completed. Now the source chain transaction is finalized, and the claim and proof are verified on the universal settlement layer, which is built on top of the pod network. We only need to wait for the relayer to submit the verified claim to the destination chain to complete the transfer. Now the cross-chain transfer is completed. Let's first click the source chain transaction. We can see that 11 tokens were burned on the source chain. Next, let's check the transaction on the destination chain. Okay, the same amount of token were minted on the destination chain. What happens under the hood is that when the token is burned on the source chain, it will also construct an entity message that includes the amount of token to be minted on the destination chain. The message will be stored in the source chain smart contract. Our claim generator will construct a claim and proof about this message and submit it to the universal settlement layer for verification. Now let's take a look at the claim. If you click the decode button, it will decode the claim in hex format into human-readable format. In the assumption field, it stores the block header of the current block that is being queried. The action field stores the view function that is called to query the entity message. The result field stores the actual entity message. If you further decode the entity message, you can see the actual amount of token to be transferred in the message. In the Proof tab, you can check the Merkle proof that accompanies the claim. The Merkle proof is used to construct the blockchain state to be used to verify the claim. Once the claim and proof are verified on the universal settlement layer, our relayer will relay the verified claim to the destination chain for token minting. You can check the pod transaction using a link on the page. Finally, let's move back to the transfer page to check the balance of the source and destination chain are updated correctly.